Akrafjall is a mountain. It's located right out of Akranes. Many people walk to the top and there you have a great view over Akranes. There is a lake somewhere on Akrafjall called Berjadalsá and we got ice cold drinking water from it. Langisundur is a long beach. There is really not much to talk about, but it's our beach and the people living here are very happy with it. On a summer, many people go there and play in the sand and swim in the sea and have a lot of fun. Akranesvöllin is our football dome. Many kids practice with IA in the winter and autumn. We have it because the weather here is fucked. It was opened in 2006 and we love it. On Akratorgi there is a statue made by Martin Guðmundsson that was born 1905 and died 1952. The art was revealed in 1967 by Lilju Pálsdóttir. The statue was made to remember all sailors that drowned. Akratorgi was rebuilt in 2014. Now the statue stands on brand new Akratorg. Cement factory is a nearly abandoned factory, but there are still some people working there. In the summer, kids like to go there and explore. Cement factory is a creepy place and it's also restricted, but no one really gives a fuck. Garðalundur is a national park. It's full of trees. When you go there, all you see is tree, but it's pretty cozy walking there.